In this lecture, you will create your first Jenkins pipeline. From the Jenkins homepage, click New Item to begin. Enter the pipeline's name. Then click Pipeline, followed by OK, to create the pipeline job. Jenkins allows you to create different types of jobs. We will only be using pipeline jobs. On the next page, you can configure the pipeline. There are many options. By clicking on the question mark next to the option, you can see a description of what each option does. It may look complicated, but you do not need to change any of the options right now. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now copy and paste the example pipeline into the script box. Then click Save. Well done! You have created your first pipeline. Now click Build Now to run it. On the left, in the build history, you can see that the pipeline has been scheduled. Under the stage view, you can see each stage has passed. They are all colored green. Hover over each stage, then click Logs, to view the log for that stage. Click Build Now, again, to run the pipeline again. Notice that each build has a number, which increments each time you run the pipeline. Click on the build number to see information about that build. Click Console Output, to see the log of what the pipeline did. Now we are going to see what happens when the pipeline fails. Click Replay, to run a modified version of the pipeline. Edit the pipeline to add the error step, which will cause a deliberate failure. This time the pipeline is red, due to the failure. When a pipeline fails, look in the console output to see more details of the failure. If you haven't already, go ahead and create your own pipeline. Thanks for listening.